Hello, welcome to Henry's Crafts and Arcade. Today, I'm going to try to make a butterfly balloon. Hello. So today, in order to make the balloon that I'm trying to make, we have to have different sizes. So I have the big ones, the small ones. You can see they're significantly smaller. So you can have the bottom part is here, and then the top part's going to be here, and then this is going to be for the middle part. I got a few extras just in case I have a mishap. Okay, so now we have to blow the balloons up. Now, at the store, you can get one of those balloon pumps. I actually forgot mine, but they're really easy. You just put the little balloon pump on there, and then it just blows it up. But we're gonna blow them up a different way, okay? Okay, so we got them all blown up. Now I wanna show you. I have to do these first anyway, but as you can see, that one's just a little bit too small. What happened was I was blowing it up, and I measured them and they were right. And then when I went to knot it, by the time I realized it had shrunk just a little bit, I had already had it knotted. So we're just gonna, that's okay. We're just gonna leave it that way. And then I got my top parts, and I have this. Okay, so it's really easy. You just put these together at the bottom, and then you have to knot them as well. So I gotta figure out how to get them in a little knot here so they stay together. There we go. Okay. And you know, you might have a balloon pop. Let's hope we don't today. Because I don't have any other replacements for these colors, so I'll have to come back. There we go. Okay, so then we gotta knot these the same way we knotted the other ones. I hope my fingernails don't have a problem with it either. Let's see. Let's see. Well, come on. There we go. You can see it's a little difficult to do the knot, but it's worth it because they got to stay together. So you really need to get the knot. There we go. We got it. Okay. All right. So now we have our bottom and our top, and then we're going to twist these together. Just got a lot of twisting to do with all these balloons. Make it work. Okay, and that just came, how did that come out of the knot? Well, now that's interesting. I thought I had that knotted pretty good, but I guess I didn't. Here we go again. It just wants to keep going away from me there. Alright, let's see if I can do this again and get it to actually work. Okay. That's the reason why you gotta knot them for sure. But I thought I had it knotted and it didn't stay. Well, let's hope that works. Alright, now there's the little butterfly, a little stubby side there. He got bit by a moth. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Didn't get the growth out of the. He's just gonna pop up. Ah, okay, stay. Alright, well, alright. Now this is the part I hate, just so you know. I do not like having to twist these balloons, but in order to do this, you have to. So I'm hoping this doesn't pop on me. So, and if you hear me scream like a little girl, you'll know it did. Let's see. Turn and twist. Okay. So we're going to turn it. I'm going to twist it about here. So I'm trying to get it so it doesn't pop, because sometimes they like to pop. So this, and then you can. And this is the part I hate. Okay, so there's that. Alright, so then you want to put it here, like this, and then about right there maybe. Kind of give it another twist because you're going to make the body. Alright. Yeah, that's good. And then I think, yeah. So, and there we go. Okay, so let's try this again. So, didn't like that. I don't know if this one's going to twist very well inside there. I think maybe I'm just going to fold it over. Supposed to twist it in with this part of the balloon. But it's not liking me too much. I don't know if that's going to work very well. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make that work. It's going to keep coming undone. So I think I'm going to have to revise how I put it together. And you guys can do that as well when you do your butterflies. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just loop it over, because it's not cooperating. Of course, I don't know if I can loop it over because it's got to get in there somehow. So it is not liking me at all here.
So you can squeeze your balloon down to the tail.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do that. Okay, so what she said, so y'all aren't able to hear it very well, but to squeeze some of this down so that it'll give me a little bit of give, because it's not giving me any give over here. So it's kind of hard to do that with me. I'm like, it's gonna pop in. So, all right, well, yeah, let's see if I can do that. There we go. Now we're working. All right. So that's what you have to do. You have to make sure you squeeze that down a little bit. And that's going to pop up, but that's not too bad because you're going to loop it and make it work anyway the other way. So, all right, now let's see if we can get this going. All right, so now I got to do that again. And then I got to do that again. Stay there. Yeah, I don't think I have to do that again, do I? Yeah. Alright, so you gotta turn it around there. Okay, there we go. Alright, now I've got to give myself more room again. See how I'm squeezing that wet down some more to kind of feel that in a little bit. Alright, so now I got to make the other part of this. It's about right there. And then you got to fill it up. Okay. And then you got to do this. A little bit too much. So so I need to give it a little bit more there. Alright, so right about. Ah! Well, that's okay. I can get that in a minute. As long as I don't lose the rest of it, I'll be alright on the other part. I'm just trying to make sure I measure it right. Alright, that's good. And then do that's a little bit too much. See, I gotta do it with the bottom there, don't I? Yeah, okay. I got a little too much air, it looks like. Alright, well, that's a big old head right there. Okay, alright, okay, let's see. Let's do this part first. Alright, there we go. Well, no, because that's not going to be big enough. Now I have too much air gone. So I need a little bit more of a deal here so I can, because you got to be able to have something to grab at the base. There we go. All right, now I've got to redo this one. If I can keep that one from undoing at the same time. Ooh, stay there. And then put these together. Ooh, don't pop on me. Ooh, that's kind of a lopsided one. But, woohoo! There you go. Maybe if you know how to twist balloons better than me, you can do a better job than me, but there it is. Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.